Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a wise old woman named Sophia. She was known for her generosity and kindness. One sunny morning, a young girl named Lily approached Sophia with a basket of freshly picked apples. Lily said,
"Good morning, Sophia. I brought these apples for you."
Sophia smiled warmly and thanked the young girl. She then invited Lily inside for tea. As they sat down, Sophia began to peel the apples, slice them, and share them with Lily. The delicious aroma filled the room. Lily thanked her and said,
"Thank you for the apples, Sophia, but you're giving me so many. Shouldn't you save some for yourself?"
Sophia laughed quietly and said,
"My dear Lily, I've learned that the joy of sharing is greater than any possession. These apples are sweet, but the happiness I feel when I share them with you is sweeter."
Lily was touched by Sophia's wisdom and kind heart. She learned that day that sharing wasn't just about material things, it was about spreading love, happiness, and forming deep connections with others. Over the years, Lily became known for her generosity, and the village thrived as its people shared not only their possessions but their time and love. Sophia's legacy of sharing had a profound impact, reminding everyone that the true wealth of life comes from the joy of giving and connecting with others. In the village, the spirit of sharing continued to flourish, weaving bonds of love and unity among its people. Sophia's timeless wisdom had transformed a humble act of generosity into a life lesson that enriched the hearts of all who embraced it, reminding them that in sharing, they found their truest wealth. Moral of the story is, sharing unites hearts, enriching lives with joy. The greatest wealth is found in the kindness we give to others.